So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to join the affiliate program here on BTCC. So once you open up the app, go to the home screen in the bottom left, press on the home icon. Then you can, on this screen right here, there's a bunch of different options here. So you can scroll this sort of bar in the middle. You can select on the far right where it says more. Then once you're on this page right here, there is a bunch of different options. You can go to the referral page right there if you want to go ahead and do that. But also what you can do is go back here, go to the top left, select the three horizontal lines. Then where it says support tools, you can go ahead and select on the KOL affiliate program. It'll then bring you to another page right here where you can go ahead and apply now by pressing the apply now button. Then you can join the affiliate program. That way, if you want to read more about it, there's a bunch of different stuff right here and you can just proceed this way. So pretty simple, but that is how to join the affiliate program here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.